So in the demonstration we just saw, we saw my three of my children responding to the Heinz dilemma. And you saw a pretty good example of at least the conventional stage, and we'll talk about the difference. Remember, pre-conventional stage is where people think something's right or wrong based off of whether or not you get punished. Now, none of the kids were saying that, right? So, for example, even Noble, who is almost 6 years old, said that it's wrong even if he doesn't get punished. He gave a very good example of a conventional response. He said he should be punished because he broke the law, and that was it, right? There was no ideas of, just extenuating circumstances. Eve also gave a pretty conventional response, except that in her response, she talked a little bit more. You could see that she was moving a little bit more into, she didn't feel it was right, but she guessed it was right. It was okay to charge $1 million for the medication. It wasn't against the law, but something felt different to her, right? So she was moving farther ahead in her development compared to Noble. So she is 8 and Noble is almost 6. She's farther ahead than Noble is in her understanding of that, but she's still in a conventional stage. Scott, however, was starting to give a more post-conventional idea of what should happen. You saw that mostly in the way that he responded to the idea of whether the pharmacist should be punished. And he said the pharmacist should be punished. Now, not because the pharmacist broke a specific law, but because what he did was wrong morally. So, even though the laws and norms would not punish him, Scott felt that he should be punished, which means that he's moving beyond just what the society says is right and into what he personally believes is correct. Pre-conventional, something is right or wrong based off of whether you get punished or rewarded for what's happening. Conventional is where things happen because of what is normal, all right, with the societal's norms and laws, etc. Post-conventional is when you individually decide what is right or wrong and use that to make your determination. Now, that could be in line with what the society believes, or it could be different from what the society believes. It could be a mixture of both. Okay, thanks everyone.